Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that restricts the linking of credit notes that are beyond their validity period in a sale bill. To enable this option, open LOGIC Admin and go to Global Settings. Then navigate to Sale Return Settings and locate the option Credit Note Validity in Days. Enter the desired number of validity days. After that, save the settings and restart the software for the changes to take effect. Now, let's create a sale voucher. After entering the item, press F3 and click on the link button to attach a sale return. A list of pending sale return vouchers will appear. Select a voucher from the list. If the selected sale return is older than the defined credit note validity period, the software will generate an error message stating that the credit note has expired and it will restrict you from linking that entry.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.